Mr. Cool, Advanced Automotive Mechanic, on the collapsing VW mk4 piston back brake caliper. You can see it right here without any special tools required. So the trick which I used to it is, if you actually want to do this, you need to get some any oil, maybe like engine oil. You get it around this level here, and you get it around that level, and you're gonna need a long nose plier to do that. So you have to first of all get it off, just like I get it off here. Then you can either use vice or use your two legs to actually support it. And when you're done supporting it right here, you just punch it like this, like I did. While you do it, I have no one to hold the camera for me, so it's gonna be pretty strong. So as soon as you get in between there, then you can turn it clockwise. But I guarantee you, if you watch it carefully, it's moving. Okay, so that is what I used to collapse it to this level it is right now without any special tools. Okay guys, if this work for you, which I know, then you introduce this one. So when you are using this long nose plier, make sure you're pressing it and turning it clockwise. Okay guys, this is just pretty much it. Like I told you, this is just what I used to compress this, collapse this. This is the previous brake pad, so you can see how thin it is. It's as thin, almost as thin as this. If you look at it from this side, they are almost the same compared to this. So there is no any way you can be able to put the